Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and there has been a update for Microsoft Edge today, August the 20th. And so if you go up to the three dots, go down to help and feedback about Microsoft Edge, you will be moved to version 151.0.4129.101. And, well, the blog post is still not up, but it's safe to say that this must contain the security updates for the Chromium browser for the week. Now, one of the things that is interesting, I've seen quite a few posts on the channel about users having freezing and crashing of Microsoft Edge since the last update. So I don't know if you're a user of Edge. Let me know if you had any problems with it. I have not noticed because I've been using a different browser. I've been using the beta version for testing out for playing around with the browser and seeing stuff. So I haven't used the main Microsoft Edge browser much. So if you have any issues, let me know. Since we don't have a blog post info here, there could be fixes in here. So there could be some bug fixes if the browser was crashing that is issued at the same time as the security updates. So it's not impossible. And of course, if you're using a Chromium browser, this reminds me of telling you all, Brave, Opera, Vivaldi, and whatever browser you're using, except Firefox and Safari, of course, that you should check for updates. Make sure you stay safe to fix the security flaws of the week. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.